This video, we will be working on removing the headlights, taillights, signal lights, and marker lights. You will probably notice that the bumpers and hood and trunk have been removed. The process wasn't very complicated, but I seem to have misplaced the videos that I made showing them being removed. We are going to start by removing the front turn signal assemblies. Okay, up in here is the 10mm nut that holds that C-clamp that holds the front turn signal assembly. And then if you look here on the sides, there's the marker light. There's two plastic retainer clips that hold it to the body. We have to squeeze those with maybe a pair of needle nose pliers to get them out. Okay, first thing we'll do is take out this. Okay, now to get this out, we will pull these wires. $11.57. Okay, now we'll go in here and try to get these retainer clips. There's so much undercoating on this rubber, and it's so brittle. Now I'm gonna have to try to figure out how to make new rubber gaskets if I decide to go ahead and restore this car. I haven't really quite decided what I'm going to do with this car quite yet. Okay, so the front turn signals and the front side marker lights are out. The side marker lights are held in by this retaining clip, which this one's broken. The other three are fine. They're very hard to squeeze together to get them out. And the front turn signal lenses and assemblies are removed by unscrewing this bracket from inside the wheel well. Here's some of the seals for the side markers, and they're in pretty bad shape, but I think I can make some new ones. Shouldn't be an issue.
Now it's time to go to work on the front headlights.
Okay, we'll start with the bezel. So right in there are some hex heads, and I'm going to have to scrape all the undercoating off of that to get to them. So using this to scrape the top of the hex head off, and then this to kind of dig it out, and then this screwdriver to get as deep as I can without ruining the hex head. It's a 5mm hex head. So let's see here. All right. So there we got it. Two hex heads. We'll clean these up so we can reuse them. Well, since this is the first time I've ever pulled one of these out. Yeah. Okay, well, I think I'll take the motors out. First thing I'll do is we will take these out. Okay, with a little persuasion, I got this bezel off, or Spray them with WD-40. Oh, this one's broken, so that's not going to even matter.
Okay.
Okay, let's give it a try. Nope. Nope. Ease. Yeah, these are in pretty bad shape. Oof. I'm gonna have to grind them out, I think. Yep. Yeah, that one too. Okay, well, this is just the adjustment. I am gonna have to somehow grind those out. I'm sure these bezels are probably not easy to come by. Okay, I'm gonna go after this. I don't want to wreck it. Okay, there we go. There we go. Oof, rusty. Okay, that looks like a 10. I'll go get one of those. Okay, this looks like a 13 holding this some type of, looks like the window door adjustment, this part here. Got that out. Am I missing one here? Oh, yeah. Go figure. Not being a Porsche expert, there's 3. And that means there's 3 on the other side, too, probably. No, just 2 on this other side, so this should technically come out. Okay, got the third one out with a little adjustment, removed them, got the motor out of the way. Now let's see if we can get this out. Yeah. Well, it's not going to go past there. There must be a, oh, there's a clip. Okay. C-clip. See if we can get that off. Yeah, all right, no problem. Certainly don't want it shooting anywhere, so let me see if I can protect it. There we go. All right, I just got to find it now. All right, so for my record, it's like so, and then the C-clip. So got that off. Now we should be okay. All right. Okay, just got to unplug it. I'm just going to clip the zip tie that's holding it and unplug it from the back. Okay, you just need a pair of pliers or side cutters. We're going to do these screws right here. No problem. All right. Good to go. It is out. There we go. Man, I got a lot of work for this thing here. Woo. Okay, well, I mean, it's pretty, these here are in bad shape, but the rest of it I'm going to try to salvage.
Now it's time to remove the headlight motor.
Right here is the ground. I'm going to unscrew that, and then this clip, it appears to be a clip that doesn't come apart. It's almost like a shield for regular connectors. So see what's going on there. I'm sure it's a Porsche European type thing, and see how they come apart without wrecking them. Went online to look to see how these plugs work and really couldn't find much. Some of the videos I watched, Porsche guys doing them, they all skipped over it. So I pulled on this one a little bit and it came right out. So I'm guessing these are just regular clips. And it was that simple. Go figure. Okay, so this is the relay. We'll keep that in there with that. Let's get this out of here. See which way this will go. This will go this way. Oh, now it's starting to go smoothly. And this, I'm not quite sure how this is supposed to come out. And I guess I'm gonna have to push. Okay, we're gonna try to push this through. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Ooh, that's going to be a toughie to put back in, that's for sure. All right, well, we're good to go there. Boy, I don't know how. How do you get this through? You must have to take this. Okay, I got it. I was wondering how they got this clip through. You just have to disconnect this piece, which I think I will try and do. Yeah, I think I see. All right. Okay, so I will admit I ruined these. And these have a little tab there that you push down to slide them out. I did everything I could and it just wouldn't let go. Just one of them let go, but at least I didn't completely ruin the plug. This looks like pretty standard plug you can probably find anywhere, so I'm not too worried about that. Okay, now the fun part, pulling all the crap that's in here out. Real quick, here's what it looks like. Okay, now it's time to the right-hand side. Okay, so yeah, some rust there, but, you know, not to be expected. It's actually not as bad as I thought it would be. Same thing, there's a little bit of a hole there. Again, not as bad as I thought it would be. So far, so good.
This job should be the easiest. The tail light lens are held in by 4 10mm bolts. Here, 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 and here. And then here are the 3, I don't know, they're kind of like screw caps that hold the lens to the assembly. So we'll go ahead and take these out. We will start with taking these off. But I'm going to keep the assembly together. Okay, so the plug is here. Can hardly tell what color they are. It looks like someone sprayed some primer in here and sprayed over the wires. So we'll have to figure out which wire goes to what if we ever get to that point when we're putting it back together. So now I will take off these 10mm. And we've got a washer, a lock washer, and a 10mm nut. And there you have it.
Thanks for watching.